Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKibben again. This is a video about how to get to IXL. So IXL, you're just going to want to come up to the address bar here and type in IXL and hit enter. And it's going to give you a Google search and it's going to come up as the first one here. You can click on that. It's going to take you to the IXL account. And then up here at the top, you'd enter your username and password and then sign in. When you're in here for writing, we're going to be going to the Learning tab. We're going to be going to Language Arts. And then we're going to be going to 5th grade. And when I give you assignments in here, they will be related to these letters and numbers. So we're going to be doing writing. So it's going to be down here. So I may say do T1. And you'll know you're going to come over here and do developing and supporting arguments and do the first part of it. Okay, if I say do W4, you know that there's a W. Hey, oh, Mr. McKibben, there's no 4. Okay, so the writing ones we're going to be doing are going to be in this section of IXL. Hope that helps.